Although window types are represented as objects, you can change the type of a window that's already been placed at any time. Select the two windows placed on the side walls. Open the Windows Selection Settings dialog and display the Preview and Positioning page. Select the round window in the Special Windows folder. Enter 1.2 meters for both the width and height values. Enter 1.0 meters for the Sill to Story 1 field. Enter -0.10 for Reveal to Wall Core. Click OK. Deselect the windows. The two windows change their type and size. Open the 3D window to check the result. As you develop the building model, sometimes certain views are more helpful than others, for example, when changing the height or position of a window. First, let's resize a window in the 3D view. Display the windows in the curved wall. Select the right window in the curved wall. This is going to be the window of the entrance, so we'll make it bigger. Click on the lower right or lower left corner of the selected window to display the Pet palette. Activate the Stretch Vertically command on the Pet palette. Drag the cursor downwards. Turn the tracker on if needed. And type in 1.5 meters for the height field. Press Enter to complete the operation. Skylights are an integrated part of the BIM model. They are capable of recognizing the roof underneath and using important information from the roof, such as the thickness or slope angle. Open the gallery floor plan from the pop-up navigator or simply from the tab bar. Activate the Measure tool in the standard toolbar. We will use this tool to check the distance between two rafters. This will be the width of the skylight. Notice that the distance is 1.97 meters. Activate the Skylight tool and open its Settings dialog. At the bottom left area, you can see various skylight types that are available. Select Skylight Flat Panel. Display the Preview and Positioning panel. Enter 1.97 meters for the width value as measured earlier. Enter 3 meters for the height. Set the vertical anchor to Story 1. Set the anchor point to the top right corner in the preview picture of the skylight. Display the Skylight Settings page and the General Settings panel. Enter 2 for the number of horizontal frames. Display the Categories and Properties panel. Select Non-Load-Bearing Element for structural function, Exterior for position, and Window for element classification. Scroll down to the IFC Properties category and click the Manage IFC Properties button. Click the Apply Predefined Rule button. Type Skylights in the search field and click the Search button. Select and apply roof windows and skylights from the list below. Click OK to return to the Wall Settings dialog, and click OK once again to apply all changes. Click the intersection point of the gallery slab and the rafter midpoint to place 3 skylights on the roof as shown on the screen. Please note that the skylights will automatically be placed into the roof. Open the 3D window to check the results in 3D.